I researched and tested some of the best stand mixers in order to find the best one. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the perfect stand mixer is for you. Like the Cuisinart Precision Master SM-50, which is easy to use, built to last, and can reliably power through just about any baking task and deliver quality results each time, and is my choice as the best stand mixer for most people in 2023. The only problem is that the Cuisinart Precision Master SM-50 isn't perfect for everyone, and if you don't know some specific things to look for, you can end up with a mixer that won't work well for you, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of people. So regardless of what you intend on using it for, I'll have the best stand mixers for you. I'll also have links to the best and most up-to-date prices on all the products I mentioned on this video in the description. The Cuisinart Precision Master SM-50 is a high-capacity stand mixer that's available at a reasonable price, and it offers a sturdy metal build, multiple built-in speed settings, and comparable performance to more expensive competitors. It has a sturdy exterior that's made from die-cast metal, so it should be able to withstand frequent heavy-duty use over time, and you can get it in a range of unique colors to match your other kitchen appliances. I like that each removable component, except for the whisk, is dishwasher safe, so it's easy to maintain and clean between uses, and the exterior just needs to be wiped with a cloth to remove fingerprints or splatter. It also features a 5.5 quart stainless steel mixing bowl with enough space for up to 2 loaves of bread at a time to accommodate larger batches. On the inside, it has a powerful 500-watt motor that offers more power than cheaper models like the Hamilton Beach stand mixer I'll mention, and can reliably handle just about any baking task you could expect. I also like that it has 12 built-in speed settings, so you can get more precise results when mixing or whipping ingredients. It comes with various useful accessories to help you get started, including a splash guard with a pour spout to keep your area tidy, a flat mixing paddle for batters, a whisk, and a dough hook, and it's compatible with other Cuisinart attachments. The Cuisinart Precision Master SM-50 is an easy-to-use stand mixer that comes with multiple dishwasher-safe components, a robust build, and excellent all-around performance and efficiency with any mixing task you could reasonably expect. If you want a quality stand mixer that can tackle some heavy-duty tasks for a good price, this is your best bet. Next up, many people might be looking for an affordable stand mixer that's easy to use, won't take up much space, and can reliably tackle a range of baking needs. The Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer is my choice as the best stand mixer for the money in 2023. Not everyone has the money or need to splurge on a professional-grade stand mixer, and the Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer is a much more cost-effective alternative that can get the job done and reliably prepare your various recipes. It has a minimalistic design that's available in various different colors to match the rest of your kitchen's decor, and you get an integrated handle that makes it easy to reposition or store when not in use. The stainless steel bowl has a solid 4-quart capacity that's perfect for casual bakers or smaller households, though avid bakers might prefer a higher capacity model such as the KitchenAid Pro Line Series I'll mention later. In addition, it comes with an intelligent tilted head design that provides complete bowl coverage, a splash guard to keep your area clean, and dishwasher-safe components that are easy to clean. It has a 300-watt motor that offers surprising power for the price and can capably mix thicker batters or bread dough, and it features 7 built-in speed settings, so you can start slow when adding ingredients or tackle more demanding jobs like whipping cream. In addition, it offers intuitive controls and comes with an integrated mixing guide that makes it ideal for less experienced users. I also like that it comes with 3 useful attachments, including a dough hook for breads, a whisk, and a flat beater for heavier applications, like in making batter, which gives you additional versatility. The Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer is a quality and cost-effective option that comes with intuitive controls for beginners, 3 included attachments to prepare various treats, and 7 built-in speed settings that allow you to adjust the power depending on your needs. This is a great choice if you don't want to spend too much, but still want a quality stand mixer. Next up, I have a quality stand mixer that offers a high-capacity bowl to prepare large batches and consistently high-quality performance with all mixing tasks. The KitchenAid Professional 5+ series is a great choice if you want quick, efficient results. KitchenAid has several high-quality offerings to choose from, and their Professional 5+ series stand mixer is a powerful option that comes with a thoughtful design and a wide range of speed settings to deliver precise results and exceptional culinary versatility. It has a sleek design that doesn't take up much space and is available in different colors, so it won't look out of place in most kitchens, and has a sturdy metal frame with a 1-year warranty if any performance issues arise. Though it's somewhat large and heavy, like the KitchenAid Artisan I'll mention later in the video, it has a 5-quart stainless steel bowl that provides enough space to mix up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch, and an integrated handle that makes it easy to remove. Even more, you get a bowl lift design to add ingredients as needed, 67 touch points for greater consistency, and the bowl attaches at 3 separate points to provide additional stability. It has a robust 525-watt motor that can quickly power through heavy-duty tasks such as preparing large large batches or mashed potatoes. It offers intuitive sliding controls to adjust the 10 built-in speed settings to ensure thorough ingredient incorporation with various recipes. It also comes with basic accessories to prepare dough, batters, and frosting, or mix fine ingredients, and it's compatible with various other KitchenAid attachments, so it can effectively replace a few other appliances to save some countertop space. The KitchenAid Professional 5 Plus series is a sturdy, robust option that can prepare larger batches without sacrificing consistency, and you get 67 touch points to ensure an even mix each time. Intuitive sliding controls and a powerful motor for evenly mixing tough ingredients. If you want a stand mixer that's well made and performs well across the board, this is an excellent choice. Next up, I have a high-end stand mixer that offers class-leading power, top-tier build quality, and enough power to easily handle anything you could need. The KitchenAid Pro Line Series is a premium stand mixer that's meant for serious or professional tasks. With its outstanding build quality and sophisticated design, massive bowl capacity for larger jobs, and ample power when mixing, the KitchenAid Pro Line Series stand mixer is an ideal choice if you want the best mixing performance available. Like most other KitchenAid appliances, it has a sleek and sophisticated design that's available in several different colors, depending on your preference. And it has a somewhat short design that can comfortably be used or placed beneath standard-sized cabinets. It comes with a sturdy stainless bowl and outstanding 7-quart bowl capacity, which makes it ideal for larger tasks. And it can reliably accommodate around 14 dozen cookies or multiple loaves of bread at a time. Even more, it has a bowl lift design for added support and stability, along with dishwasher-safe removable components for easy cleaning after each use. It offers a class-leading 16-cup power capacity and an impressive 1,000-watt output to easily handle heavy-duty jobs or thick batters. But it's not much more expensive than the other options I mentioned on this list, and primarily meant for professional or serious users. In addition, you get a range of useful attachments such as a splash guard to prevent splatter, a power knead spiral hook for preparing dough, a flat beater, and a stainless steel wire whip to efficiently mix finer ingredients. I also like that it has a slow start feature, so it won't spew ingredients or accidentally cause a mess when you turn it on. The KitchenAid Pro Line Series is designed to deliver high-end and professional-grade performance with heavy-duty baking tasks, and it comes with various attachments for added versatility and class-leading power to efficiently knead or mix and deliver outstanding results. This is an excellent choice if you need a stand mixer with a massive bowl and class-leading power. If you're looking for the stand mixer that offers the best combination of build quality, baking versatility, ease of use, and all-around performance in the kitchen, the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart is my choice as the best overall stand mixer in 2023. The KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer is a high-performance kitchen appliance that features an intelligent design to deliver a thorough mix each time. Plenty of speed settings and ample power to easily and quickly knead tougher doughs or mix thicker batters. It has a sturdy frame that's made from zinc to withstand frequent use over time, and you can get it in over 20 different colors to complement your other kitchen decor. It has a heavy-duty bowl with an integrated handle that makes it easy to remove, carry, or clean, and it has a solid 5-quart capacity that should provide enough space to accommodate most home baking tasks. Even more, it has a convenient tilt head design that allows for easy bowl access and a 59-point planetary mixing action to provide comprehensive bowl coverage and more even, consistent results. It offers a 325-watt output that can tackle just about any baking task and efficiently mix thicker batters or ingredients. And it offers 10 optimized speed settings to prepare a wider range of recipes. It also offers fast mixing speeds to reduce your preparation time and remains reasonably quiet when in use. And like the previously mentioned KitchenAid Pro Line Series, it has a slow start feature to avoid splattering your countertops as you begin a cycle. It comes with a standard range of dishwasher-safe accessories and has a power hub that's compatible with more than 15 attachments if you want additional versatility. The KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer is a high-quality option that can do everything from whipping egg whites to kneading pasta dough to preparing cake batters. And it comes with intuitive controls, easy long-term maintenance, and a sturdy metal exterior. If you can afford the price and want a powerful stand mixer that delivers top-tier performance, this is a perfect choice. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.